Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to add someone at WhatsApp group even if you are not the admin. First, open WhatsApp and head to the chat screen. Find the group where you want to add someone and tap on it. Once the chat is open, look at the top where the group name and photos are. Tap there. This will take you to the group info page. Scroll down a bit and under the members section, you'll see the list of people in the group. Well, in this case, there are 3 members. You'll notice that the option to add members at the top of the list. And here we are not the admin. As you can see, because there are no admin level next to our name, WhatsApp still lets me add people to the group. Just tap the plus sign next to the add members. And a menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen with the contact list. You can either search for the contact by tapping their name in the search bar or scroll through your list and select the contact by tapping the circle next to their name. Once you pick the contact, hit add in the top right corner and they'll be added to the group. And that's it. And that's how you can easily add someone to a WhatsApp group without being the admin. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.